Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind Life. Welcome to the channel. Wanted to talk about my R33 GTR here. It's been a while since I updated anybody, even myself, with what's going on with this car. So let's have a look. So the story of my life, this car is not running. Now, it ran for one good day, the day that I got this car. Ever since then, it's been sitting here, and I feel like this is the same story with every car I import. Nothing's different with this. It's just been sitting here. Kind of got everything taken apart because I kind of screwed up the wiring inside, taking out the radio and the alarm in this thing. And yeah, it's just a headache. Other than that, the car would not start, and it still does not start. So it's either spark related, air related, or fuel related. Now I changed everything spark related out and it still won't start. So next up will be the fuel related issues. I do want to show what I've done to the engine bay because I kind of spent my time on this and money. So check this out, guys. Woo, there you go. For comparison, this is what it looked like before I did all the updates. All right, so this is it. Starting off with the obvious, the valve cover. Changed it up to that gold, kind of tried to mimic the Brembo gold. I don't know if I got it, close enough. Sanded this down, the intake manifold, because it was really messed up. And then got some new emblems and redid this. And I got the HKS intake going, so the dual intake setup right there. New hoses, valve cover gaskets, oil cap. I love that top secret oil cap. And then you can tell the PRP R35 GTR coils. So replace those out with new spark plugs. Hoping that's going to be a huge difference. And then hard to tell, but I did get some dress up bolts. The burnt titanium look all around, actually, all inside, even though you won't see it, but I kind of wanted that, so that's there as well. New fuel filter, which is a must when you get these cars from Japan. Now, that's what I thought the problem was. I thought it was fuel related with that filter, and no, it does not start. And then underneath the valve cover, I actually got the Mines baffle kit, so I might as well do a couple of things while it's opened up. So yeah, that's that. Oh, I also replaced out the radiator fan here. Now that's a must-have when you get these cars because they're pretty old and they do crack. And I'll show you exactly how the old ones look. All right, so you can see all the cracks that are right here on the back side that I didn't even notice. So that this thing was on its way out. So yeah, huge difference between the old and the new. I'm hopefully gonna be making this a track car. Let's see what happens in the future, but yeah, that is it. So yeah, those are the updates right here. It still does not run. Fuel related mods are next. I got a new fuel filter, which is already replaced out, fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator, and a fuel pump in the back. If you guys have any idea what I did wrong with this car, now to recap, all I did was fill up the gas, change the oil, and the car would not start. It ran perfect when I got it for that one day, and that was it. After that, it completely stopped working. If you guys have any insight, please let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.